Welcome. If you're struggling to stay consistent with movement, gyms feel unnecessary, overwhelming, this session is for you. We're going to build some simple strength so that we feel better when we're done. Let's get started. Just simply step to the side, open your arms up, bring your shoulder blades together, a nice clap in the middle just to feel alive. We're going to really boost mood and energy. We're going to move with a bit of pace. It is -20 this morning, so we got to stay warm. So there'll be a slight cardio element. You slow it down whenever you think necessary. Move at your own pace. We always modify these sessions to fit and suit your needs. Okay. Ooh, let's just sink down just a bit. Gentle bend of the knees and punch. And gently begin to shift your body weight from side to side. Keep your arms up nice and high. You feel that in the shoulders. Gyms are wonderful if that's your thing. Lifting weights are incredible, but we can do everything at home with just a few exercises. And think about micro movements throughout your day. Just stopping and a little shift of body weight, a few punches. How does that boost my mood and elevate my energy? Oh, I am building a little bit of strength throughout the day. We don't need hours in the gym, truly. Okay, let's just start to kick and twist just a bit. Think of this in a playful way as well. Can you get a little bit of a bounce? A bit of a skip in your step? Right there. As soon as I say skip, start to skip, my mood instantly skyrockets. And ultimately, that's what we're doing here every day. We're trying to change our state. If we feel better when we're done, we're likely going to move more throughout the day, make better food choices. It's going to aid in the quality of our sleep. So many good things. Excellent. Ooh. Big twist. Again, keep your arms up nice and high. So we're building mobility in our spine, but we keep our arms up nice and high. You're gonna feel that in your shoulders and the upper back. We're building strength there. Clearly, when we squat down just a little bit, building amazing leg strength. And I will say this, 500 plus times this year. Strong legs equals sharp mind, long, healthy life. And we want to be able to move through our days with strength and ease, and having strong legs will allow us to do that. So that being said, let's instantly move into a bit of a toe tap step up. If you have something that's elevated, your stairs nearby, a chair to go a little bit higher, onto the couch. I'm just using my imagination. I'm pretending there's a log here, but this simple movement is so great for building leg strength, core stability, balance. You can go with more pace if you like. You can certainly slow it down where I breathe in and out, in, out. Wonderful. As I said, it's a little chilly, so I'm going to move with a little bit more pace. Get outside no matter what the weather is. Oh, Mother Nature, she provides so many benefits. Particularly after your last meal, 10, 15-minute evening walk. Ooh, aid in digestion, quality of sleep again, mood, calm the nervous system. Ooh. Yeah. Wonderful. Okay, a little bit of side movement. But I'm going to bend down when I come. Excuse me, this is more of what I was looking for. We'll get there. Come on, Drew. Just a gentle skip to the side and reach your arm down. Nice hinge. Building that strength in our lower back. Flexibility. And can this become playful? Ooh, yes. Can you get a little bit lower? If you can't touch, maybe this is what you're doing. You're here, you're moving your body. Maybe you're just not here yet, but if you stay consistent, you will get there. Okay. Ooh, one more to each side. Brilliant. Oh, just shake it out for a moment. I will do this move about 500 times this year as well. Up onto the balls of your feet and just shake it out. This is so great for building circulation, getting the blood flowing throughout your day. Just stand up. Do this for 30 seconds, 1 minute. Invite a friend. Hey, let's just do a shake. Get real loosey-goosey with it. Childlike, if you will. Do a little dance. Oh. Okay, now, we're just going to come up onto the balls of our feet, back onto our heels. This heel rock for building mobility and strength is so amazing. Engage your core. We want that good core stability. Core stability for back health. Think of it that way. All the nonsense out there about six-pack abs. Oh, we really have lost the plot when it comes to true health and well-being. Do your very best here. Pick a spot about a meter or so in front of you. Give that laser-like attention and notice how your balance improves when you really focus visually. If you stumble and fall, thank you for the challenge. Oh, I'm getting stronger. I'm improving day by day. Let's start over, begin again. How lucky for me. One more here. Okay, I gotta keep moving. We're gonna, oh, I love this movement too. Bicep curl. Give your backside a bit of a kick with your heel if you can. Become very dynamic here. Squat down a little bit. Make a fist when you come to the top. We want to increase our grip strength just so we can carry our groceries home. Grip strength is such a good indicator of longevity. Make a nice tight fist. Really feel that in your forearms. Ooh, full body, nice and dynamic. And if you want to join me, I'm going to go very fast. I got to heat the body up. And also, remember, breathe in, breathe out. Wonderful. Choose your own adventure. But for me, let's go. Just stick with this for a minute. Watch your breathing. Notice, continue to breathe if you're going fast. And have some fun. Feel that strength in your biceps. How strong you are. I am strong. I am capable. I am enough. Yeah. Feeling good. Oh, let's just finish. Step to the inside. Arms stay up. Nice and high again. Still continuing to build some strength. And twist into it. And just notice, how do you feel? Do you feel a little stronger? Do you feel better? Happier? That's the goal. Just notice, head up high. Just take in everything we've done. Oh, last one here. And we are going to stand just for a moment in mountain pose. Connect to your breath. Notice the beating of your heart. Maybe it's an opportunity to just be truly grateful for these beautiful bodies, the ability to move today. Oh, how fortunate we are. Just be for a moment. Hallelujah. Go have the most remarkable day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.